Are we? Come close. Yeah. Let's talk. As a newbie author, here are a few things you need to know. Comparison is harmful. Don't compare yourself to other authors. What differentiates you from other authors is your message. Stay with it. 2, writing is a journey. Don't expect perfection. By the way, is there anything like perfection?
Wow.
You grow as you move on the journey. The more you keep writing, the better you become. And by doing so, you start moving close to perfection. 3, read widely. This would help you to become more knowledgeable in your specific niche. Know your audience well, that people will be willing to buy your book even before the release date. 4, feedback. Don't ignore feedback, either positive or negative. This is one way to grow. Get feedback and work on it to improve on yourself. 5, rejection. Traditional publishers may reject your manuscript, but this shouldn't stop you from writing, because the more you write, the better you become. And of course, one day you will get it right. 6, marketing is important. Sleep on this. You have to keep marketing your book till it gets to the target audience. Do this and you will thank yourself. You want to thank me?
Thank you.
But our friends for. But then, like, share, comment, and follow for more content.